कहीं दूर जब दिन ढल जाए, सांझ की दुल्हन बदन चुराए चुपके से आए. All my air signs, that is Gemini, Libra and Aquarians, all of you are wishing for a reconciliation. What is happening? And all the readings I have done has got something like this to do with the, so Mata Rani, that means this Navratri, and Dashera, that is good wins over evil. What is the message coming across for you all? So it seems your entire reading is kind of similar. Now this could be your situation in your love life, but this could be your situation in your work life. Maybe you had a fight with somebody and you parted ways, and now you're planning to come back. Maybe at that time you took the decision for whatever reason, or maybe they took the decision for whatever reason, and now you're looking for a reconciliation, which is a good thing. And I think so. You want to. Maybe the other person doesn't want to. We'll have to think. So hi, I'm Sharon Mehta, tarot card reader, healer, rune caster. My USP is Rainbow Property Healing. I am a angel channeler as well as a numerologist. So let's see, what is the spirit talking to you about? What is the spirit telling you? So you've been asked to introspect. See, I'm not telling you whatever. These cards fall out. And everyone who knows and has attended my readings know that I only take jumper cards. So whatever cards have fallen is meant for you. And this introspection is causing you a little discomfort because you're seeing where you stand. Aapne kahan galti ki. And the more you realize your mistakes, the more you are happy. I don't know why you are happy, but you are happy. And you start putting your actions into motion. Like, gaadi chalu ho gayi hai, my dear. Board it before you miss the train. So you need to go all out and do the work or the efforts that you want to do. Even in your work life, it has come like that. You have done a lot of introspection. Now the time for introspection is over. All you need to do is take action. Take action with 100% passion, and you will notice that log judte jayenge aur karma banta chala jayega. This line I heard somewhere, I don't know where, it is stuck in my mouth now. Now the Moonology card says, do not let your past hold you back. Now, come on, introspection happens because of the past. Reconciliation happens because there was a breakup. Introspection happens because there was a breakup. And then you were held up because of the past. Now, don't think about the past. Think about just the future. आगे मैं क्या कर सकता हूँ या कर सकती हूँ जिससे लाइफ सुंदर, अच्छी, खुशी भरी हो सके. If you are in a situation or in a relationship wherein there is a no contact situation, which I see basically it is like that, something like that. Trust in who? Not in the relationship. No, never trust in the relationship. Okay? Trust in the person? No, never trust in other people. So who do you trust on? Trust on the divine and trust in yourself. Trust your inner voice. If your inner voice is saying, it's time to reconcile, it's time to tell the truth, it's time to come clear, it's time to do whatever, just do it. Okay? Because I see you're very focused on your career. And maybe this person is focused in their career. But both of you, ये relationship को healing की बहुत सख्त ज़रूरत है. This relationship needs a lot of healing and protection. Because this relationship को नज़र बहुत जल्दी लग जाती है. Maybe आपकी खुद की नज़र लग जाती है. कभी होता है. अपने पेरेंट्स ही अपने आप पर बुरी नज़र डाल देते हैं. I mean, they don't do it intentionally. It happens unintentionally. It's like you love so much that you say, oh my God, I'm just loving this, and their nazar lag gayi. Okay, so before we come to the end of this, I would like you all to like, forward and share your opinions with us as to what kind of readings would you like from us. As far as this healing is concerned, I think the person you love or you like is kind of a healer. Now, could be a doctor, could be an Ayurved, homeopath, or maybe a general healer, energy healer like me. हम लोग भी heal करते हैं. So maybe this person is not healing this relationship anymore, and this person was doing it some time back, or maybe you are a healer and you have not been focusing on this kind of a healing. So I wish you all the best for your reconciliation, all Gemini, Librans and Aquarians. I wish you all the best and happy Navratri and happy Dashera. Don't forget to follow and share. Thank you.